lodge pole came down. You can tell because of those short needles. Ponderosa pine we have right over here. It's got the long needles. Oh, it's raining. Oh. You can see it coming. It's the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. And it's pushing all the snow out of the trees. You see our trees in the back swaying. Look at, we got the chicken coop. It's about to cave in. It's raining now, some of the snow melted. Look at this, the tree just decided it was time. Hey, cheese. Cheese. I love you.
Say cheese.
Say cheese. Jen.